Hello everyone, and this is YumeTwins September box. I got it in August, or very early, from Japan because I upgraded shipping, and so here we are. It's called craftycute, and I'm very excited, and so is Calculus. My cat is always loving when we unpackage stuff. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello. All right, let's get into it. We have craftycute. This is, first of all, it gives you a thank you for continuing to be and to stay home safe, which I think we can all agree is incredibly important. And we're going to go into what's crafty and cute. See, we have a variety of items. First of all, we have cereal and Senex cooling mesh. Let's see what it says. What's always good for your creative spirit to take breaks. Relaxing cushions and mesh fabric. Okay. Has varieties. Cool to the touch, helps invigorate you and your characters. So here it is. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this because I don't know. I literally have to try it out to see. But as you can see, the character, it's not a character that I personally enjoy, so I may give it away because I once again I don't know how well it cools because I have to open it up, and if I use it, obviously I can't give it away, so that's gonna be a maybe. All right, we have my neighbor Toro. A lot of people have complained about there's so many of these kinds of characters in these boxes. But the thing about it is a lot of people like this character, and also the fact of the matter is there's a lot of license for it. So you can't really get mad at them for having doing what people want. I'm not a super fan of this, but I still use the containers and stuff like that from the other day. See, I use them for my kid. So for me, I don't have an issue with it, but just so you know, there's a lot of that in these boxes. And this will be kind of a sewing kit, a little mini sewing kit, or a little thing. So that's cool and nice. If you have like a kid and they like have Barbies, this also can work as like something. So let's get my cat out of there. Let's see what else we have. We have the sewing, and then there's a sewing kit. Let's go see what the sewing kit is. Here it is. Oh, little twin stars. That is my favorite character, so I'm super excited. I'm probably going to do that while I'm at work. I work at CTA, so if you don't know, CTA has been very difficult for people, and so for the last couple of nights, I've been fussed at for things that is out of my control. So I'm happy to have something relaxing today, at least tonight, to do. It won't take forever. It won't use up my 8 hours being there, but at least I get to look at something cute and adorable. Then we have our last two items. We have this set. Colors. We have I guess this is our pocket scissors, which is also very helpful. I'm going to put this in my bag because sometimes I need scissors while I'm at work to cut up stuff and just be bored. So that's okay. And as you see from the background, my children are arguing with each other. It's always great to have children. And then our final thing is which is something I've seen a lot of, actually, when I look at from other countries, they have like these folding things. But this is a foldable ruler, and for sure I'm going to, I have a bunch of rulers, so I'm going to probably just give this away to somebody who will enjoy it way better than I will. And kawaii color, so it's very cool, very shiny, and it's pretty cool. Follow me, cheer, yeah. So that's really cool. So this box. It doesn't look like there's a lot of stuff in it, but you think about it, a lot of stuff is expensive. Like Hello Kitty has become very expensive, and these are like very easy and helpful things. Like this, I wish it was small enough that I could fit in here, but it's pretty cool. If you like this and you like the videos, please like and subscribe either on Instagram or YouTube. We're having a contest, but from either YouTube or Instagram. So when I write down in comments through your replies for your comments or from subscribers, and I go to your about page and I say, hey, or you won the contest, please answer back so I can actually send these things, because it seems like people I get to, yeah, you won, and then they go to, now I need your address so I can send something. Please do. I don't have to send it exactly to your house. I can send it to a P.O. box, to a grandmother, and then you can pick it up. I just need to send it somewhere. So please actually answer and then give me the address so I can answer. I don't care if you just have to set up a P.O. box. As long as it gets to somebody, that's all that matters. Obviously, I don't want to pick it up, even if you were in Illinois. But if that's something that you need to do, we can find a Starbucks downtown and we can make it happen. Or any Starbucks or any Popeyes, whatever you need to do to get it done. In Chicagoland area on Monday and Tuesday. But for everybody else, obviously I need to ship it. So please like and subscribe. Be even a better friend if Patreon, because then I can open up more boxes and then I can do more things. You can suggest stuff. I'm going to maybe finally set it up a little bit way better for my Patreon. It's just been very, very busy. This is going to be dropped in September on YouTube and now on Instagram. So please understand, if you want these boxes, please go into the description and it has a link. It supports the channel. Once again, you need to support the channel so more videos and stuff can be a thing. And you can also say, hey, I have never asked, want to see this or want to see that. Ask what's going on in Chicago. Anything you want, just comment. All right? Bye. And calculus says bye too.